Every year, Earth follows a gentle, predictable orbit around the Sun, a near-perfect circle that governs the rhythms of our lives. The change of seasons, the growth of crops, the balance of day and night, all are intertwined with this celestial dance. But imagine, just for a moment, that this delicate dance was suddenly thrown into chaos. What if Earth didn't follow its usual path, but instead traced a massive, stretched-out ellipse, a wild orbit that pulls us dangerously close to the Sun, then flings us far into the frigid depths of space? How would our climate change? How would life on Earth adapt? And most importantly, what would happen to human civilization as we know it? In this scenario, our planet would become a world of extremes, a place of unrelenting heat followed by crushing cold. This would be no ordinary climate shift. This would be the beginning of a new Earth, one that could no longer be called habitable in the way we understand it. Let's step into the unknown. Let's explore the consequences of a world on the edge of survival. To understand the consequences of a drastic change, we first need to appreciate just how perfect Earth's orbit is right now. Earth's orbit is slightly elliptical, meaning it's not a perfect circle, but it's close enough that we don't feel any extreme changes in our day-to-day lives. This slight variation is measured by something called eccentricity. The current eccentricity of Earth's orbit is a mere 0.017, which is almost indistinguishable from a circle. But why does this matter? Because Earth's orbit is the key to the stability that allows life to thrive. The way the Earth moves around the Sun controls everything from the seasons to the temperatures, the ocean currents, and even the rhythms of animal and plant life. Without this orbit, we wouldn't experience spring, summer, autumn, and winter, and life would be very different indeed. If Earth's eccentricity were to increase dramatically, let's say to 0.3 or even 0.6, our entire world would shift. The changes would be so profound that they would completely reshape not only our planet's climate, but also how every organism, including us, survives. In a highly elliptical orbit, Earth's proximity to the Sun would change dramatically throughout the year. Imagine a cycle where, at one point, we are way too close to the Sun, and at another point, we are far out in the cold void of space. At perihelion, the closest point in our orbit, Earth would experience an intense surge in solar energy. Our atmosphere would trap more heat, and temperatures could spike globally. What we now call heat waves would become an almost permanent feature of life. Areas that are currently warm could become unbearably hot. Oceans could heat up to the point of boiling in some places, and wildfires would rage across continents like never before. The poles, which are currently frozen, would melt rapidly, causing sea levels to rise and flooding coastal cities. Entire ecosystems that rely on ice, from polar bears to penguins, would vanish in the blink of an eye. The shift in the climate would force species to adapt or die, and the very balance of life would teeter on the edge. Then everything would change. As Earth swings to aphelion, the farthest point in our orbit, the world would experience an extreme drop in temperature. We're talking about ice ages happening in reverse. The Earth would turn into a frozen wasteland. Oceans could freeze over. Temperatures could plummet so low that entire regions would become uninhabitable. The once warm, fertile lands of Earth would turn into icy tundras. In this world, the annual rhythm of life would cease to exist. Instead of seasons that gradually flow into one another, we would face two massive extremes: the Inferno, where heat is all-consuming, and the Ice Age, where cold is relentless. This constant swing between extremes would challenge the survival of every living creature on Earth, including humans. Entire habitats would collapse, and many species, unable to adapt quickly enough, would go extinct. Life on Earth is resilient. From microscopic life in the deepest oceans to massive creatures like blue whales, Earth species have evolved to survive in every corner of the planet, from the hottest deserts to the coldest Arctic. But human civilization? Could we survive this chaos? It's important to recognize that life doesn't just end when things get rough, it adapts. But our civilization, as we know it, is built on stability. Agriculture, city planning, infrastructure, and even our way of life all depend on a predictable climate. If Earth's orbit stretched too far, our world would become hostile to all but the most adaptable creatures. In a world with extreme heat during one part of the year and extreme cold during the other, society would be forced to constantly prepare for these drastic shifts. How would crops grow in an environment where the ground freezes one half of the year and scorches during the other half? The impact on food production would be catastrophic. And what about the ecosystems we depend on for resources like water, timber, and fish? As the world swings between extremes, those ecosystems would collapse. Cities might have to relocate to survive the temperature swings, leading to widespread migration on a scale never seen before. Food shortages, mass migrations, and potential conflicts over resources could spark global instability. Human survival would depend on our ability to adapt, but the rate of adaptation required might outpace our ability to evolve. Entire societies would be forced to reinvent themselves, struggling to rebuild a stable way of life in a world that constantly teeters on the edge of chaos. But it's not just the climate that would be affected. Earth's orbit is deeply intertwined with every part of the planet's system, from its rotation to its atmosphere, and even to the tides we experience thanks to the Moon. A highly elliptical orbit would have massive repercussions for these systems. First, let's talk about Earth's rotation. As Earth gets closer to the Sun during perihelion, the gravitational forces exerted by the Sun could slow Earth's rotation. We could see longer days and nights. And as Earth swings farther away, the opposite might occur. The days could shorten. This would disrupt natural rhythms, animal migrations, plant blooming, and even human work schedules could be thrown into disarray. Now, consider tidal forces. The Moon's gravitational pull is essential in stabilizing Earth's axis, helping maintain a consistent tilt. But in an elliptical orbit, these forces would fluctuate dramatically. The Moon's influence might become weaker as Earth swings further from the Sun, leading to unstable tides. Coastal ecosystems, which rely on regular tidal patterns, could collapse. The atmosphere itself might also be impacted. As we get closer to the Sun, solar radiation could begin stripping away gases from the upper atmosphere, including critical layers like the ozone layer. If the ozone layer weakened, we would be exposed to much higher levels of ultraviolet radiation, leading to skin damage, crop failure, and an increase in cancers worldwide. As the orbit changes, so too would Earth's magnetic field. The Earth's core plays a crucial role in generating the magnetic field that shields us from solar winds. But with changes in orbital dynamics, the behavior of Earth's core might shift. If the magnetic field weakened, it would leave us vulnerable to harmful cosmic radiation, further straining the planet's ability to support life. All of these cosmic forces, rotation, tides, atmosphere, magnetic field, interact in a delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. A large elliptical orbit would disrupt these systems, creating a cascade of effects that reverberate through every layer of Earth's environment. So, could this actually happen? While the idea of a drastically elliptical orbit is mostly a thought experiment, it's not completely beyond the realm of possibility. In fact, it's happened before, in the distant past. When the solar system was young, the orbits of planets were far more chaotic. A close encounter with a rogue planet or a nearby star could disrupt our orbit. The chances of such an event occurring in the near future are exceedingly low, but they are not zero. The universe is full of unpredictable forces. And while we are fortunate to be in the Goldilocks zone right now, the perfect distance from the sun, there are no guarantees that this stability will last forever. As we look up at the stars, it's easy to forget just how fragile our existence is. Earth's orbit, the one we've relied on for all of human history, is a cosmic miracle. It's the result of billions of years of cosmic luck, from the positioning of the planets to the gentle pull of the moon.